Hi there, my name's Shannon. I'm with the VT group of companies. I'm here to walk you through the registration process for the Better Homes BC rebate program. So the first step I would recommend would be to go to the BC Hydro PowerSmart website at app.bchydro.com/hero/eligibility. And this is where you can do a BC Hydro electricity consumption check. So this is kind of part of the eligibility check. You can read through that and it'll say, do you heat your home primarily with electricity? Yes or no? And then it'll proceed to ask you if yes, have you moved recently and or signed up for a new BC Hydro account in the last 3 months? Yes or no? And then the next step would be to go to app.bchydro.com/hero/heat-pump-lookup. And this is an air source heat pump rebate search tool. So you can find out if the heat pumps that you're looking at or the ones that you have upgraded with are eligible for the CleanBC Better Homes program. You can use the search tool to determine if the heat pump you're installing is a rebate eligible model. So you'll just scroll down, read through that section there, and you can take a look by inputting the AHRI reference number from your heat pump and input all of that information, click search, and you'll find out if it is an eligible model. Once you've finished those eligibility checks, then we'll go to this page here at bchydro.com where you go through the renovation rebate application process. So on this first screen here, you can read through that and check the different requirements for different upgrades that you can do under the rebate program. And make sure you go through here and make sure that you're getting what you want out of this. And just scroll down. You have to check this to continue, and then press next. In step 1 of the process, you're going to provide information about your utility companies. So you'll choose your electric utility provider, your account details, postal code, and if you have natural gas, yes or no, and are you the utility account holder, yes or no. If no, then you'll see when you click that, it'll ask for utility account holder consent form upload. So in that blue font there, you click that and complete the consent form and upload it using that green button. And you can press next. And step 2 of the process is all about you. So your personal information, first and last name, phone number, email address, and then you keep scrolling down there and you'll give some information about your home. So single family, row house, duplex, mobile home, or apartment, year it was built, number of outlets in the house, and so on. Keep going there and press next. Then step 3 is all about the different upgrades that you want to do. Maybe you only have one upgrade planned or more, but first they need to find out what kind of heating systems are being used in the home. So home heating system, scroll down there, you'll see as part of your renovation has how you're heating your home changed. And it's either yes or no if you're upgrading your heating system. And then you'll just select the type of primary heating for your home and any additional or supplemental heating. Keep going down there. It'll talk also about your water heating system. So again, have you changed your water heating system, yes or no? And what types of water heating do you have? As you continue, this is where you'll select the type of rebates that you're going to apply for. So are you doing the insulation, windows and doors, and or water heating? Just click those little boxes if you are, and click next. Step 3 is about the upgrades themselves. So depending on what you selected in the previous page, and you can always go back if you decide to select or deselect one, and then you give information about those upgrades that you've done. So this is where you'll want the name of your contractor company. You can put in the installer's first and last name, it's optional. And then the contractor details should auto-populate when you choose them from that drop-down in the contractor company field. The next section is about the details of that upgrade. So for example, if you're doing insulation, was it an attic upgrade, exterior wall cavities, etc.? and what type of insulation was used, when was the invoice issued, what is the R value, total square feet, and the total cost. So those are all things that you'll get from your invoice. And then you can add multiple, if you had multiple upgrades, you can add those as well. Similarly for the other ones, you'll just input details about your upgrade. This is also where you'll need to upload your invoice. So you'll have your invoice number and just include a file description that you make up there and upload those documents. You can always remove them if you uploaded the wrong one. Next. Now step 4 is about bonuses and special offers. So in addition to your rebate, you might qualify for bonus offers of up to $2,000 if you've completed multiple eligible upgrades. So you could have a 2 upgrade bonus where you've completed more than 2 upgrades and you want to apply for 2 upgrade bonus. Or a home energy improvement bonus. You've completed both the pre and post upgrade EnerGuide evaluations and made 3 or more bonus eligible upgrades to my home within 18 months of my pre-upgrade EnerGuide evaluation. The EnerGuide home evaluation is actually, I believe, not currently happening. Rebates are no longer available for EnerGuide home evaluations as of April 1st, 2022. And then any previous applications or promo codes. Then select Next. Step 5 is about receiving your rebate. So this is the one everyone looks forward to, of course. How would you like to receive your rebate payment? Interact, on an electric bill, or via check. Select which one you prefer. And then you provide your information so that they can get that to you. And then at the very bottom there it says consent. Make sure you check that. I agree to share my details with Interact e-Transfer, for example, to complete my transaction. Then press Next. And part 6 is all about the review and submission process. So you basically just scroll through all those details and make sure that they are accurate, you haven't missed anything. And you can see that there's an estimated upgrade rebate total. And if you want any news, updates, and promotions, you can check those boxes, but it is completely optional. And you might give some information about how you heard about the program. Did you use the Energy Coach hotline? Will you be applying, or have you applied for the Government of Canada's Greener Homes Grant? And just read through the privacy and personal information and check that box that you agree to the Home Renovation Rebate and CleanBC terms and conditions and understand the rebate requirements. You can click the green button that says Submit Application. And that's it. Then you're done. And if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at 1-866-241-6804. I'll put that number up on the screen there and down in the comments below. Please feel free to like, share, or comment on this video. And we look forward to helping you on your journey to get a more efficient home and some rebates back for it. Have a wonderful rest of your day.